In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Forms. To get started, open your Zoho Forms account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you'll manage your forms, review responses, and explore the different tools available. If you're new to the platform, take a moment to look around so the layout feels familiar before you begin creating or organizing anything. Once you're inside, click on Forms and then select My Forms. This section is where your personal forms are stored, so it's the best place to view what you've already created or to begin working on something new. If you plan to manage several forms over time, getting comfortable with this area will make your workflow much smoother. Next, click New Form. From here, you can select the type of form you want to create. Zoho Forms offers different form options depending on what you need, so choose the one that best matches your goal. Whether you're collecting registrations, requests, feedback, or internal information, selecting the right form type at the beginning can save time later and help keep your form organized. You can also click Shared Forms, which is a great place to collaborate with colleagues. This area is useful when more than one person needs access to forms, or when a team is working together on collecting and reviewing submissions. Shared forms can help everyone stay aligned, especially in a collaborative work environment where multiple people contribute to the same process. Another option to explore is Org Users Form. This is especially helpful for working within your organization and keeping things centralized. It can be a practical way to keep track of collected inputs and outputs, making it easier to monitor the information being submitted and how it's being used. If your forms are part of a larger internal workflow, this section can be very valuable for staying organized. You can also click Reports. This is where you'll be able to review collected data in a more structured way. Reports are useful for understanding trends, checking submission details, and getting a clearer picture of the responses coming in. As you start using Zoho Forms more often, this section becomes increasingly important for analysis and follow-up. Feel free to explore all the features available throughout the platform. The more you navigate through each section, the more comfortable you'll become with how Zoho Forms works. With just these core areas, you can begin creating forms, collaborating with others, organizing submissions, and reviewing data more effectively.